Hey everyone, welcome back to TrueHost Academy. Today we're going to learn how to add a favicon to your WordPress site. A favicon is that small icon that appears in the browser tab, and it's a great way to improve your website's branding. Let's dive in. Typically, it's 16x16 pixels or 32x32 pixels and can be in .ico, PNG, or JPG format. A good favicon helps your site stand out and makes it easier for visitors to recognize your brand. Before uploading our favicon, we need to create one. You can use any image editing software to design your favicon. Just make sure it's simple and recognizable. Save it in a compatible format. ico or PNG works best. Now let's head to our WordPress dashboard. First, go to Appearance, and then click on Customize. In the Customizer, look for Site Identity. Click on that. Here you'll see an option for Site Icon. Click on Select Site Icon. Now you can upload your favicon. Choose your file, and remember it should be a square image for the best results. Once you've uploaded your favicon, don't forget to click Publish at the top to save your changes. And that's it! You've successfully added a favicon to your WordPress site. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.